I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw Charlie Morningstar full body. Let's begin by establishing her overall proportions with simple geometric forms. Think of her head as one unit and use it to measure the rest of her body, which is roughly 6 to 7 heads tall. Lightly sketch an oval for her head, then a pear shape for her torso. Connect these with a line for her spine, and add simple lines for her arms and legs, indicating joints with small circles. This foundational step is crucial for a balanced figure. Now let's bring Charlie's face to life. Lightly draw guidelines across her head for the eyes, nose, and mouth. Her eyes are large and expressive, so give them plenty of space. Her smile is wide and friendly. Next, focus on her iconic hair. It has a lot of volume and a distinct flow, so sketch the main masses first, then add individual strands. Refine the jawline and ensure her neck connects smoothly to her shoulders, giving her a graceful posture. Moving on to her outfit, let's add her signature jacket and shirt. Pay attention to how the fabric drapes and creates natural folds, especially around the elbows and waist. Don't forget her charming bow tie, making sure it sits neatly at her collar. Then sketch her skirt, allowing it to flow naturally as if she's in motion. Finally, draw her boots, giving them a solid base and adding any buckles or details. These elements truly define her unique style. For our final touches, carefully erase all the initial construction lines, leaving only your refined drawing. This step cleans up your artwork significantly. Now, it's time to add shading. Think about where your light source is coming from and apply darker tones to areas that would be in shadow, like under her hair, within clothing folds and beneath her chin. This adds depth and makes Charlie truly pop off the page. Also, be sure to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. A little shading goes a long way in bringing your character to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.